Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the active Incognito session. Open Chrome, tap the Incognito hat icon to list private tabs, then close each tab one by one. This ends the current private session. Once done, swipe Chrome away from recent apps to ensure the session process stops. Make sure no Incognito window remains before proceeding, because Incognito only exists while tabs are open. Closing them is the fastest, immediate removal method. Now you prevent Incognito from returning. Set up Google Family Link on the parent device, link the child account, and choose app restrictions. Enable only allow approved apps or block Chrome entirely so private tabs cannot be opened. If Family Link is not an option, install a reputable app lock or parental control tool and configure it to block Chrome or to require a password before opening private windows. This gives you persistent control. Finish by testing and fixing any remaining access. Reopen Chrome to verify the Incognito option is gone, then check other installed browsers and either restrict, uninstall, or lock them as well. If the Incognito tab still appears, reset app preferences or remove and reinstall Chrome, because corrupted app data can re-enable features. One troubleshooting tip: if restrictions aren't applying, reboot the device and recheck Family Link or app lock settings. Restarting often forces policy updates to take effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.